Good day everyone, it's me CJ, and in this video I am going to show you how to make Arduino Light Dimmer with the control of potentiometer in Tinkercad. So let's begin.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
Okay, so this is it. Our components is already placed, no? We need Arduino. These are basic components that we need to make our light dimmer. Okay, so we need LED and also potentiometer set to 50,000 resistance and our resistor 470 resistance. These are our jumper wires with their different colors. Also we have 5 volts jumper wires connected na daan 5 volts, and also our ground pin. This one also is our ground. Okay, and also this one is our analog pinzer. Our potentiometer has 3 different pins. We have input voltage, output voltage, and a ground pin. So those are the 3 different pins. We need this one is for our input voltage from our 5 volts to our potentiometer. This one is our output voltage from our potentiometer to our analog pin, and also the black one is a ground. So resistor set to 470 resistance ohms, and our potentiometer again so set to 50,000 resistance ohms. Okay, so let's go to our code, and we're going to delete this one and dispose this. Okay, let's make our codes so that when we start simulation it will get a work. So let's go to text, let's hit continue. What we do need here is to declare an integer or declare a variable. A pot pin is equal to A0, which means a analog 0, our pin analog 0. Int pot value is equal to 0. These are empty variables. So LED pin is equal to 11, so we set na to siya from our pin number 11. So let's make a pin mode LED pin, which we have no sa pin number 11 set into output. So let's delete this one. Okay, so what we do next is pot value is equal to analog red pot pin. Okay, I also have a analog right lead pin Put value, and let's put a delay 10 milliseconds. Oh, what happened? No, it's 10. No, do 10 milliseconds. Okay, all set. Let's try simulation. Oh, we have here is our error. The analog read. We put it reader. So as we can see now, it works. So, but I think there is something happens in our LED light. So as you can see, it works naman. It works well. Let's try adding a /4 divides by 4. I think this one's going to stabilize our LED light. Okay, let's wait. It's still initializing. I think we've lost internet connection. So slow internet connection. Okay, so I think there it is. So as you can see, it works. Our LED light works well. How about let's okay, so nakita ninyo gitanggal na to ang /4. So let's take a look at the difference. Siya kalayhaan murag dili siya stable ang atong dimmer, dili stable. So let's put /4. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you've learned something about how to make Arduino Light Dimmer, and see you in my next videos how to make a blinking light. And that's all for this moment. Stay safe, God bless, and have a great day.